Up to 50% of compressed air ends up as wasted energy because of air leaks. Undetected, these often silent hazards cause significant financial losses. With the market-leading industrial ultrasonic NL camera, you can find even the smallest leaks, ensuring that you meet your energy efficiency targets while cutting costs. Let's see how the NL camera works. When air escapes from a compressed air system, it creates turbulent airflow and broadband sound. The NL camera's 124 highly sensitive microphones pick up this sound and accurately pinpoint an air leak's location on the camera's screen. Even in noisy environments and from a distance. This speeds up your audits and makes air leak detection easy. The advanced on-camera analytics automatically calculate the leak size and cost estimate, so that you can take planned measures to save both energy and money. The automated settings and the lightweight camera's intuitive user interface mean that using the device requires minimal training. You can further analyze the findings with our analytics software that gives you an ISO 50001 compatible report for energy optimization and data to support your expertise in making maintenance decisions and plans. Together, the NL camera and the NL Analytics software offer the most accurate and comprehensive solution for detecting air leaks, keeping production reliable and costs low, while meeting energy efficiency demands. To find out more, visit www.nlacoustics.com.